An essay on peacock.
Peacocks are beautiful birds belonging to the pheasant family. The Indian peafowl, with its radiant blue plumage, is the most common type of peacock. It is a national bird of India. Peacocks are males, while females are called peahens. They have a long, dazzling train, which are feathers that cover the base of their tail. The young ones are called peachicks. They eat seeds, grass, flowers, insects, worms, etc. So they are omnivores. Peacocks can fly, but only for a short period or distance. The three main types of peacocks are the Indian peafowl, the Congo peafowl, and the green peafowl. They prefer to reside in farmlands, forests, and warm regions.